First death naman natin ng iba eh. Full DPS, full DPS, full DPS.
Go. Jacket. Second. And then third shag. Then direct fourth shag.
Nasa kabilang comms ka, Dox. Kumusta sila doon?
Then first.
Fallen now.
Then mamaya, after nito. Oh, second.
Full death now, full death na, full death na.
Then shag. Ay, mamaya shag. Sige lang.
Uy, ba't ka umalis? Ay, yung nga pala, yung lens. My bone. Fallen now.
Scary. Balik sa first
Full defensive.
Then second directly. Sige lang. Then shag.
Ako lang ba? Parang ilan DPS nyo? Fallen now.
Pop tayo ito.
Full defensive now. Ah!
Balik na sa first after ito. Second lang.
Wait lang!
Oh no.
Fallen now.
Then ikaw na, shag. Ako na lang, shag. Ako na lang. Oh, okay na.
Top check lang.
Nag-cleanse yung ano.
Full defensive now.
Ikaw pa, shag After ito.
Thank you na bago ano pa. Fallen now. Wait lang Yeah, wait for the Holy Flame. Basta 30 seconds. Wait for the Holy Flame
Ito lang ba yung boss?
Fucking shit. Sabi ko wait for the Holy Flame.
Wow.
Yung magugot yan. Hayop.
Holy
Ano ba
Flame ba
yan?
yung may kasalanan?
Yung DOT.
Alam pa namin Holy Flame ba talaga?
Wow.
Baka naman ang Holy Flame talaga.
Ito lang kasi yung may parang may DOT. Okay, loot your specific loot na.
Kinaglance yata